I was created to be the world's most advanced and most beautiful, fully autonomous android.
Hello?
Glad to see you.
She's cute, isn't she?
Yeah, absolutely.
My name is Erica. It's a pleasure to meet you, Coco.
Number 10. Asuna. An android designed by Hiroshi Ishiguro in collaboration with a team at Tokyo-based A-Lab, made her debut at the 2015 Wonder Festival Winter in Shiba, Japan. Observing her up close, one would be charmed by her appearance as she resembles an adorable 15-year-old girl, standing approximately 155 centimeters tall and weighing around 43 kilograms. The level of realism in this hyper-real robot is so striking that even a reporter covering the convention was momentarily deceived, mistaking her for one of the idols from the AKB48 band. While many humanoid robots can be perceived as creepy, Asuna breaks the stereotype and evokes feelings of cuteness instead. Her human-like qualities are truly remarkable, particularly evident in her movements, which leave a profound impression. From her lifelike blinks and gently squeezed shut eyes to the shape of her mouth as if she were about to yawn, Asuna's mannerisms are incredibly natural, setting her apart from other androids. Furthermore, Asuna's flawless skin and intricately detailed facial features, including soft and squishy ears akin to real human ears, add to her appeal and authenticity. Number 9. Erica. Erica is an advanced humanoid robot developed by Dr. Hiroshi Ishiguro and his team at the Intelligence Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University in Japan. She was designed to have a highly realistic appearance and human-like facial expressions, making her one of the most sophisticated and lifelike humanoid robots in existence. Erica is equipped with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and natural language processing capabilities, allowing her to engage in meaningful conversations with humans. Her ability to understand context and respond in a coherent manner makes interactions with her feel remarkably human-like. She has been featured in interviews and demonstrations, showcasing her abilities to communicate and respond in a human-like manner. Number 8. Actroid. The Actroid is a robotics project developed by the Osaka University in partnership with the Kokoro Company Limited. It is headed by Japanese roboticist Hiroshi Ishiguro. Actroid is a humanoid robot that looks eerily similar to real humans. It can talk, move, and express emotions through its face just as humans do. The Actroid robots are also built with cameras in their eyes so that they can look at you while interacting. The first Actroid was launched at the 2003 International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo. It has had many versions since then. The latest model is the Actroid SIT, the most extroverted humanoid to date. Released in 2013, the Actroid SIT can interact with humans autonomously and can follow a conversation train of thought seamlessly. Actroid now makes eye contact and gestures in the direction of a person trying to speak to her, allowing it to adeptly handle crowds of people. To develop the new behavior, researchers from Nara Institute of Science and Technology studied how individuals and groups interacted with the robot. Based on their observations, they focus on two new features which they call interruptibility and motion parameterization, hoping to improve human-robot interaction. It looks like the future is right at our doorstep. I guess the only matter is figuring out whether the person we're talking to is a human or Actroid. Number 7. Zhang Lai Lai. She has silver short hair, a cute round face, and silver armor. When she speaks, sometimes her eyes twitch playfully, and the cuteness make the audience and guests excited. But the mechanical bones of the lower body expose her true identity. She is a humanoid bionic intelligent robot made by X-Robot. After years of research and development, this robot has successfully entered the recording studio at Zhejiang TV station Intelligent Future and entered the public eye, She has become the assistant of the famous program host Zhang Shangjian. X-Robot have given her the name Zhang Lai Lai. Zhang Lai Lai is known for its exceptional mobility and agility. With its precise motion control and fluid movements, it can navigate its environment effortlessly. Its limbs are engineered to mimic human-like gestures and actions, providing a sense of familiarity and enhancing its ability to interact with humans. Number 6. Tang Yu. Tang Yu is an advanced humanoid robot designed with cutting-edge technology and remarkable capabilities. With its sleek and modern design, Tang Yu embodies sophistication and innovation. This humanoid robot stands at an impressive height and has a well-proportioned human-like physique. Tang Yu is equipped with a wide range of sensors, enabling it to perceive and interact with its surroundings. Its advanced vision system allows for accurate object recognition and tracking, while its precise motion sensors ensure smooth and fluid movements. The robot's dexterous hands are capable of performing intricate tasks with precision and efficiency. Overall, Tang Yu represents a remarkable leap in humanoid robotics, combining advanced AI, precise motion control, and exceptional communication capabilities. Number 5. Junko Chihira. Junko Chihira is a gynoid robot developed by Toshiba, Japan. It is developed using the technology developed by Hiroshi Ishiguro. The robot Junko was unveiled in October 2015. It is also known as trilingual android due to its ability to speak 3 languages: Japanese, Chinese, and English. Apart from this, the robot can also communicate in sign language. It is an upgraded version of Aiko Chihira, her younger sibling. Having the face of a 26-year-old woman, Junko has an upgraded version of machine control. It has excellent interactive skills, lifelike expressions, and pre-written speech commands. The robot is equipped with several technologies like speech synthesis technology and natural language processing. It can answer the random and several questions of tourists and locals. Junko Chihira currently works as a tour guide in the local tourist center, Aqua City, Obaida, Japan, while its other 2 siblings work as receptionists and help nurses respectively. Number 4. Aiko Chihira. Aiko Chihira, introduced in 2015, caused a sensation in Japan as a remarkably human-like robot. In a Tokyo department store, she was mistaken for a real person due to her lifelike appearance. Aiko Chihira's role involved working in customer service while wearing a traditional silk kimono. Under the leadership of Hitoshi Tokuda, a team of programmers created Chihira. Tokuda mentioned that her intended persona was that of a 32-year-old woman standing at a height of 165 centimeters. To achieve her realistic movements, Chihira relied on 30 times per second data transfers and was equipped with 43 motors for power. Consequently, her gestures such as bowing or blinking appeared subtle, and her silicon body resembles a wax figure rather than the robotic appearance of R2-D2. During NPR's visit to Chihira, many individuals were fooled into thinking she was a real person. The challenge for designers, including Toshiba's Tokuda, lay in creating a robot that closely resembled a human without entering the uncanny valley that often evokes fear in children. Number 3. Jaja. Developed by researchers from the University of Science and Technology of China, Jaja is the first humanoid robot to come out of China. Researchers spent 3 years developing Jaja. Able to respond to facial expressions with her own micro-level movements during conversations in both Chinese and English, Jaja is the result of integrating technologies for cognitive modeling, semantic understanding, automated reasoning and planning. Automated reasoning and planning, knowledge acquisition, kinematics, and cloud robotics. The award-winning development team has received many international accolades, including first places at the popular RoboCop World Championship and the IJCAI Robotics Competition. Number 2. Nadine. Nadine is one of the most realistic female humanoid social robot around the world, and she looks and acts incredibly lifelike, being modeled on Professor Nadia Magnanet-Thalmann. This robot has a realistic human appearance and a natural skin and hair. She has also very realistic hands. Nadine is a social intelligent robot who is friendly, greets you back, makes eye contact, and remembers all the nice chats you had with her. She is able to answer questions in several languages, show emotions both in her gestures and in her face, depending on the content of the interaction with the user. Nadine can recognize people she has previously met and engage in flowing conversation. Nadine is also fitted with a personality, meaning her mood can sour depending on what you say to her. Nadine weighs approximately 35 kilograms and has a total of 27 degrees of freedom for facial expressions and upper body movements. She can recognize anybody she has met and remembers facts and events related to each person. Nadine is the ideal companion when nobody is there. She can assist people with special needs, read stories, show images, put on Skype sessions, send emails, and communicate with the family. She is part of the human assistive new technology, which is badly needed as society cannot afford a full-time social worker for each person with special needs. She can play the role of a personal private coach, always available when nobody is there. Number 1. Alter 3. Alter 3 is part of a new artificial life research project. MIXI Corporation, Tokyo National University, Osaka University, and Warner Music Japan Co. Limited are behind the project. It is powered by an artificial neural network and has an ear for music. Earlier iteration of Alter sang in an opera. Alter 3, which has enhanced sensors and improved expressive ability and vocalization system for singing, went even further in 2020 by conducting an orchestra at the new National Theater in Tokyo and taking part in other live performances. At New National Theater in Tokyo, Professor Hiroshi Ishiguro of Osaka University announced the new model of the android Alter 3 that was Alter 3. The robot performed a fragment of the Scary Beauty android opera by Kiichiro Shibuya. Alter 3 is a humanoid robot with a bare body exposing the machine inside, a face without age or sexuality. Unlike the two Alter models so far, Alter 3 has an improved expression around the mouth for singing, expressive ability, human sensing systems, and vocalization function from the mouth. In addition, immediacy of body expression was improved and dynamic movement became possible. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.